Hi students, I'd like to teach you a shortcut on getting to Schoology. So if you go to the Seattle Public Schools website, there's a drop-down menu here under Students. You go to the word Schoology and you click that, and it's a shortcut straight to Schoology. You have to pick your account or type in your account information, which is the same information I have to do twice. I got permission from Soren to use his, so it's number 1, so first initial, middle initial, last name, at seattleschools.org, and then your password is just the 4 numbers of your birth month and your birth date, and you click sign in. And this will take you to your Schoology homepage. And this gives you some upcoming information where we have our first class discussion, but you can also go under courses. And under courses, you're going to find our homeroom where it says Fatland. That is a place where I hope you will go frequently. So that is your the button to click to get into all the information that I'm putting there for you. Here's learning resources from last week, from this week, and then you can also get to our first class discussion. And I hope you will open your discussion up, read the prompt up here. Please share one thing you like about school being closed and one thing you don't like about school being closed, and then you'll put your answer to that in this box there, and then when you press post, then I can see it and all of your other classmates can see it. I'll be checking that tomorrow, and hopefully we can get everybody to respond. Thanks!